Next question on ledger. Prepare ledger accounts and books of Mr. Ramesh Modi and balance the same. Started business with cash 50,000. So we know the method is पहले journal entry सोचो, उसके बाद उसका ledger posting करो. So started business with cash. Cash is coming in. So cash account debit. And why business has been brought in cash? Because it is started with cash means capital has come into picture. Capital account का हमेशा credit balance. So credit the capital side. Entry will be cash account debit to capital account. So to capital in cash account. And it is 50,000 rupees. And in capital account वापस entry cash account debit to capital account. So by cash. Capital account में कभी to capital नहीं आ सकता. By cash 50,000. कैपिटल का क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है वो यहाँ पर इंक्रीज हो गया. ओके, सो पॉइंट नंबर 2, cash sales rupees 4,000 at the rate 5% cash discount. Now cash discount is something we record in our books. I have sold goods worth rupees 4,000. I received cash after deducting 5% discount. Means 200 rupees. 4,000 का 5% 200 rupees goes into discount. So my entry will be cash अंदर आ रहा है again because of cash sales. So cash account debit. Cash is coming in how much? Cash coming in is 3,800 because discount is 5%. So 4,000 minus 200, 3,800. Cash account debit. कैश का पार्टनर डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट की एंट्री हमेशा कैश के साथ होती है. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स. सो हियर बाय कैश, बाय डिस्काउंट. बाय कैश how much? 3,800 and by discount is 200. डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट साइड. नाउ बाकी कैश अकाउंट में एंट्री क्या होगी? कैश अकाउंट. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स इज 3,800. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स 3,800 and discount account debit to sales. So in discount account again to sales and that comes up to 200. So see 3,800 and 200 in your credit and at discount 200 debit, in cash 3,800 credit. So balance हो गया. Okay. Now the third point, credit purchases from Mr. Ratish rupees 5,000 and trade discount at the rate 10%. Trade discount we never record in books. So our net credit purchases will only be recorded. 5,000 is your credit purchase and trade discount 10% means 500 is your trade discount. So the total purchase I will record is 5,000 minus 500, that is 4,500. So the entry will be purchase account debit to Mr. Ratish. So purchase account debit to Ratish 4,500. Purchase account debit to Ratish. So in Ratish account to Ratish तो आएगा नहीं. So here by purchase and that is 4,500. Third point done. सैलरी ₹500. नाउ एक्सपेंस हो रहा है एंड कैश इज गोइंग आउट. सो एक्सपेंस को डेबिट करेंगे, राइट. सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट, माय एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट एंड कैश इज गोइंग आउट. सो कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट. द एंट्री विल बी salary account debit to cash account. So in salary account debit to cash. Salary is 500 and in your cash account salary to cash means buy salary 500. Sales to Mr. Divya ₹3,000. Okay. Cash sales or credit sales? See, name is specifically given means it is credit sales, as it is not mentioned specifically in cash, and name is also given means it is credit sales. Sales to Mr. Divya 3,000. So your entry will be Divya account debit. And sales is always credit. So Divya account debit to sales. In your ledger of Divya account debit to sales. That is 3,000. And the other effect in your sales account, Divya account debit to sales. So buy Divya 3,000. Point number 6. Received from Mr. Divya 2,000. Now you had sold him on credit and now you are receiving money. So cash is coming in. When cash is coming in, cash account debit and credit the giver. So cash account debit to Mr. Divya. So in cash account debit to Divya. How much? 2,000 rupees. Cash account debit to Divya. So in Divya, buy cash 2,000 rupees. Now we have to balance the thing. So quickly start taking totals. See, total of your capital account here 50,000 and nothing in your debit side means everything is balanced. So in this month, to balance carried down 50,000 means 50,000 is my capital for this month, and in the next month also opening capital over here again. By balance brought down. Okay. Now let's come up to the next cash account. We have 3 entries here. Take the total. Total comes up to 55,800. So 55,800 and 55,800 here. 55,800 minus 500 comes to 55,300. 55,300 and this is balance. So by balance carried down. Month के end पे मेरे पास इतना cash है 55,300 and here 55,300. At the opening of the next month I have this balance of cash in my hand. To balance brought down. Next is your sales account. Take the total. Total comes up to 7,000 and here no item in debit side. 7,000. So everything is balanced. To balance carried down 7,000 and at the end the opening balance of the next month will be 7,000. By balance brought down. What does that mean? In the last month your total sales is 7,000 rupees. This is the figure of your total sales, 7,000. Okay, now come up to discount. See discount. The total here is 200 on your debit side, and we don't have anything. So in your credit side, so buy balance carried down. Buy balance carried down. How much? 200. This is your debit balance written in credit side. So debit here, credit here. Debit side is higher by 200. So 200 is your debit balance written in your credit side. And in the next month, opening of the next month, to balance brought down 200. Next is your purchase account. So purchase, let's make the total 4,500. 4,500 and balance, because we don't have anything in credit. So buy balance carried down 4,500, and in the opening of the next period, to balance brought down 4,500. It shows our total purchases. Okay. Next is Mr. Ratish's account. Now in credit side we have 4,500. So 4,500 as your total. In debit side, to balance carried down 4,500, and opening of the next month, buy balance brought down 4,500. So Ratish से परचेज किया है. I will have to pay money to Ratish. So Ratish is my creditor. Liability मुझे है कि मुझे रतीश को पेमेंट करना है. Ratish is my creditor. Okay, creditor for us. Salary account. Now let's come up to the salary account. See the total 500. Nothing in your credit side. So simply writing the balance. Buy balance carried down 500. So this is your debit balance, because debit is higher. Debit balance written in your credit side, and opening of the next period, to balance brought down 500. And Mr. Divya. Who is Mr. Divya? Divya is debtor for me. I have sold goods to Divya and I need to receive money from Divya. So debtor for me and assert for me. I have to take money from Divya. Now take the total here. Higher side 3,000. And here only 2,000. So the balance will be 1,000. Means I have to still take 1,000 from Divya. Buy balance carried down, and for the next period opening, to balance brought down in Divya's account 1,000. So this is all for the solution on ledger presented to you by aforaccounts.com.